Well, it is time to head back into the Source Codex Music Studio again for another how-to video. And this time, we're dealing with the Electro Harmonics voice box and all the particularities and the nuances of being able to use the vocoder. So let me step around here. You're going to have an instrument, and you're going to have a mic at the same time to use the vocoder. Instrument, mic, whoa, and set on vocoder. We're running this through my Focusrite into my good old trusty Cubase LE4 so I can monitor things. That was an announcement from the space station. And I can set this here as I want. Now, in the instructions, you have to set your dry-wet signal all the way to wet. You want to set your blend all the way over wide open. Your harmony you can play around with. Your gender bender you can play around with, as well as your voice mix to get what you want. You make sure that your mic is on. Test, test, test. We are testing. Test, test, test. Now that's the regular mic without the box. So here we are with the box. Test, test, test. Let's get the volume up here. Probably why we're not hearing anything going on is because I'm not playing an instrument. All right, let's go ahead and check that out. Okay, I am set up now, and my picking's not going to be too great because I screwed up my wrist recently. But let's give it a whirl here. You may hear my voice, of course, mixed in with the guitar signal. Later on, we'll listen to how it sounds when it was recorded. So I'm going to start the recording now. Okay. I'm going to set the intensity on the mic up a little bit. Sing to me, sing to me. We got a little bit there. Let's try this chord here. What I say, what oh man, it's so tricky. All right, let's try something else here. We talk to. All right, let's try the voice mix up around a 3. Gender bender more here. And the harmonies more here. And let's see what we have. thing I notice is if your voice goes too low, it seems to overload things. But if you keep your voice low, I mean in the lower registers, not volume, but if you keep your voice kind of in middle range and upper range, it sounds good. Let me knock this harmony here, gender bender all the way here, and voice mix all the way here. Let's see what that does, and I'll try to sing higher. Chord is way off and my nails are too long. Let's try some individual notes. All these notes are clean. I didn't want to do any overdrive or fuzz or anything like that. So here we go. Let's try some clean notes. And forgive my poor picking. My injured wrist is not helping at all. All right, here we go. Sounds like you can be your own distortion. Let's try that again on another note. Okay, I think that's enough for now. And let's have a listen through to this noise we did here. Okay, hold on. So you can definitely get the wah-wah sound with your mouth while your guitar is playing. There's a little vocoding. Turn that down a little bit. what's obvious to me is there is a lot here to adjust while you're doing the vocoder settings. Be it your reverb should be all the way up, your blend should be all the way up. Your harmony, you can adjust. Your gender bender, you can adjust. Your voice mix, you can adjust. These will all affect the sound. The way you're playing your guitar, I was playing it quite poorly today. Your various volumes that you set here are going to give you something different as well. You can see I've got the mic running in here and the guitar, this cable coming out, and the mic cable coming out. So I've got a mic cable going in here as well as the guitar. Now, what I recorded it on was a mono track, and you still get the effects you might want. There are just so many parameters that you have to think about. Your volume settings here, your monitor, you don't want feedback coming into your mic while you're doing the vocoder. Your distance to the mic. If you're back here, you really don't get anything. You have got to get right up this close to the mic. I mean, I'm talking 3 or 4 inches. You got to get to the close to the mic. If you get too close and do your effects too loud, it's going to overload your signal. And also, like I said earlier in the video, if you talk or vocalize in a lower register, it's going to throw things off. If you talk more in a voice like this, or try to sing higher, you know, that seems to work better. Now, you can get the wah-wah sound really easy. You just go wah, 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 wah with your mouth, and you get the wah-wah. So, I'm going to end the video now. There are so many nuances in this vocoder setting, and I like all the other settings. I'll put a link to another set of videos I did about this voice box. But the vocoder is really challenging. I'm not going to try a synthesizer with it. Guitar is good enough to show you how complex this puppy is. But you can change the voice of your guitar going into your PA, going into your audio interface for recording. The vocoder does work. It's just tricky. And make sure your mic bypass is not on. You want to have the effect on. You want to be able to do it set up right. And I recommend your mic gain on high. I'm using an SM57 mic here with a wind screen. Maybe that affects things. I don't know. But good luck. Have at it. I hope you can make exactly the sounds you want to make.